Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today I'm super excited because today we have an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. Trying to cover up all my different info here, but this is the MASSDROP bounty box, and yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of it right here soon. So what is the MASSDROP bounty box? If you're in the knife community, EDC community, even just tech, audio, anything, MASSDROP is basically a website, and actually I should correct myself. It is drop.com, and I'll just leave a link down below here as well as show you what that is. But basically it's drop.com, and it's a site where initially you would kind of invest into a group, and then the site would actually purchase a large bulk quantity of any said item, and then you'd get the item just barely above cost for what the retailer would normally buy. So obviously you buy something in a larger quantity, you get a price break for many different things. And so that was kind of the idea of it. So through their channels and relationships with all other manufacturers and whatnot, and the different products that they purchase, they decided to put together their own box, or like gift box in a way. And it is a couple of different tiers that you could choose from. The most basic box is $100, and it will give you 4 items from 4 different genres of things. And then there's 2 more tiers beyond that. And I think one is like $150, the other one is like $200, and maybe there's even one above that. But the more money you invest into getting the bounty box, the you don't necessarily get more products. You might get a couple more, but you also get higher end products or rare products. So being the cheapskate that I am, I decided to just go with the basic one and check it out and see what I get, and just to see if it's a decent deal for myself and for any other consumers out there. The other thing too, that with the basic box, they had an option that if you wanted to focus on a specific genre or category of items, so like if I wanted to pick just EDC items, I could have paid an extra $10 or $15 more, and then they would have focused more on those EDC items. But I wanted to know kind of what random stuff I would get just by getting the most basic box, and that's what I got. So we'll take it over to my little desk area here and open it up and see what I got, and hopefully I get at least $100 worth of stuff. If you've ever seen my other old school videos of doing the unboxing with the Karen box, sometimes you get skunked, but let's find out. Alright guys, so I switched over to the GoPro from my Canon M50 everyday city carry, if you're wondering. That's what I'm rocking. And right now I'm on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm going to open this bad boy up. Obviously I don't want to give away any of my information, so I'm not going to show you the top of the box, but it says Passions lead here. There's some weird black fibrous stuff coming out and whatnot. Looks like there is some cuts I have to make along here. I'm gonna do it using my SOG. If I have to, I'll voice over it. Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh boy. This is a pretty big box, about 1 foot by 10 inches, and then like 5 or 6 inches deep. We have this card. Congrats on your bounty box. At Drop, we want to help you get closer to the things you love. For the past 7 years, our amazing community of passionate people has helped us discover and create products that are thoughtfully designed, well made, and a pleasure to use. The items in this bounty box were carefully curated by our team from a long list of consistent community favorites. A quick browse through the comments on our product pages will reveal scores of people who were surprised to discover that a seemingly basic item became such a staple in their lives. We hope you love exploring this box and find some new essentials to enjoy. Alright, so pretty sweet. Nothing else on the card. Got this drop seal here on this brown paper. Opening that up, and we got this weird, it's like a waxy paper stuff. Yeah, I don't know what to expect with this stuff. So first up, we'll grab this big one. We have the Luminology Portable Motion Light. Limitless Innovations. This thing looks like a freaking squid eyeball alien thing. Luminology motion sense technology will activate the LED light in a dark setting with a 13-foot detectable range and 100-degree field of view. Oh, so it's kind of like a security light, or if you want to put in your room, rainproof, it says. Takes 3 AAA batteries, 148 lumens. Stay on mode, approximately 7 hours runtime. So that's definitely interesting. Was not expecting that. So, all right, interesting. Oh yeah, so this is kind of cool. This goes along with a lot of our EDC stuff. We have the Ruick FERRUM Forge retracting, or the Ruck retracting utility blade knife. Yeah, so I think a lot of us have seen some of these things. Nice and simple. It comes in a little carrying case. I don't know what color I got. And sweet. Look at that. I got like a copper bronze. Okay, that's pretty sick. And it looks like, oh, it comes with a little lanyard bead. And lanyard and some extra screws. An extra like thumb stud thing. So that's pretty cool. I like the little add-ons. The lanyard bead's a nice touch. So for you EDC fans out there, this thing's pretty sweet. I'm going to try to do a recap after I get a chance to look at everything to see what prices are. Alright, we got Seki Edge Green Bell, the world's finest beauty and grooming tools. Okay, this might be a bust. Craftsman Luxury Grooming Kit. Let's see. Well, it's definitely nice. The presentation is legit. I don't want to break that seal, so we'll see if we can just slip this out. And fingernail clipper and a thumbnail clipper. Or toenail clipper. Well, you know, that's kind of the luck of the draw. I mean, they're nice. You know, I guess I'll use them. I probably need new ones anyways. Nice little case. The case feels really nice, actually. But I don't know. Is it something that I really want or enjoy? Not really, but that's part of the draw, man. So I got that. I am pretty happy with these first two things so far. This is one of those like everyday things you need, whether you like it or not. And last but not least, Revo Next Reference Hi-Fi Audio. Okay, this is what I'm pretty excited about. Dual drivers in-ear headphones. One dynamic driver, one balanced armature, heavy metal housing, superior hi-fi sound. Designed in Sweden, made in China. Alright, so these are some higher end earbuds, I like to think. Oh boy. There we go. Because there is a section in MASSDROP for audio files. Oh yeah. Alright, so these things look wicked. Superior hi-fi sound. Nice braided cable. Oh wow. Oops, one of the earbuds looks like it fell off already. Yeah, that is metal. That is metal. These things That's heavy duty. These things are no joke. Definitely no joke. I will be really thrilled and excited to hear what these things are like. So, well, there you have it, guys. I got the little utility knife brass, which is pretty sweet. I got these wicked awesome looking headphones. Got a motion detector light thing, which is pretty weird. Then I got the toenail clippers and the fingernail clippers. So I'll kind of check the overall prices and see what the value is, and then kind of do like a recap on this. So stay tuned. Wow. Alright guys, so yeah, that was the unboxing of the MASSDROP or the Drop bounty box. First impressions, there's two things I really kind of liked in the box, which was the Rook little EDC kind of razor blade knife, and then the other one was the headphones. I was pretty excited about that. The motion detector light, seemed kind of cool, and then the toenail clippers, fingernail clippers set, you know, I could go to Walgreens and get something simple, or Walmart or Target or whatever, and pick up something like that. So I don't know. But that being said, so initially I was kind of like, man, did I get skunked? I paid $100. What was the price for that? So out of all the products, you know, we're gonna go through them as far as like what prices I found, and I'll leave links to everything that I find here, both to the bounty box on Drop site as well as Amazon options too for the pricings. And at the time of this video, when I opened this up, this was going for around $30, 30 to 40. We'll say $35 on Amazon. So it's the motion detector light. Now the batteries aren't included. It takes 3 AAA batteries, so it would have been cool if they actually put it in there. But honestly, for like anyone who's going camping and wants that little bit of security, if something's coming into your camp, you set it up and it'll motion detect anything that comes into the area. And yeah, so I mean, some people might find it valuable. I don't really care, but who knows, maybe I'll test it out and see how it goes. So yeah, like $35. We'll go to the Rook knife. Now this is a FERRUM Forge / MASSDROP collaboration, and yeah, keychain knife. I forgot which one it is. It looks like the brass or copper one, but it is metal and it has the brass copper finish on it. On MASSDROP, it's going for $40, and honestly, I think that's a fair price. It is pretty nice, and it is one of my favorite items that I got out of this. So for $40, it's pretty sweet, honestly. So very sharp, really nice made, and the fact that it comes with little things like the lanyard bead and stuff is pretty cool. So I do really like this one. So that's $40 plus $35, so you're looking at $75 already, just with these two items. Then onto the headphones. I was pretty excited about these headphones. They're not necessarily the style I go for, but I did try them out real quick, and they're pretty nice. I mean, they got a metal finish on them, a unique kind of weird braided cable. They're in ear. They come with a couple of different ear tips, and these surprisingly are only going for like $30. So you can actually find these in the links below for $30 if you want a pair. They seem to have really good reviews. So that's the RevNext QT5s. RevNext QT5s. So the prize out of all the surprise out of all the 4 items that I got was the Seki Edge World's Finest Beauty Grooming Kit. This thing online is going for like $75. So between the first 3 items, you're looking at about $105, which is already $5 over the value. But then this goofy little simple grooming kit is $75 or 70 bucks, we'll say. So, you know, it's not not something I'm like, okay, awesome. Do I really need a set, like $75 set of clippers? Probably not. And honestly, I don't think they look that cool. The actual clippers don't really look that cool. But, you know, if that's the value of them, that's the value of them. But all I can say is, okay, yes, I got $75 more than the $100 of what I spent. But MASSDROP, just like recommendations, yo. Like, if you're my buddy, I'd be like, bro, seriously? Toenail clippers? Out of all the cool stuff you got on your site, you throw in some clippers? Toenail clippers? So yeah, that's the one thing, you know, like I said, it says it's that value, it's selling for that, but honestly, nobody wants to get toenail clippers. They're expecting cool stuff, like the other stuff you sent me. So, whatever, that's, I feel like, the one major, like, skunk item, even though it's the priciest out of all the other stuff. So, now that you saw it, I'm sure there'll be a few other reviews with some of their other ones where you can actually pay the extra dollars and maybe get something focused on what you actually want. If they do it again, or if I get a chance to do another bounty box, I would probably try it out one more time just to see what happens. And if I get another set of toenail clippers, drop, it's on. But honestly, it's pretty cool. If you like new stuff and exciting things, I definitely recommend checking it out. I did get some things that I do enjoy and appreciate. On that, guys, thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you got the bounty box yourself, let me know what you guys got in your box, and tell me if you got the clippers as well. On that, check out these other videos, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you outside. Thank you.